Well, today we were going to do the exhaust on the old Gromski, put the ZoOM on, but weather changed. So we're going to head to Honda, get some parts. Yeah, it was 70 degrees yesterday. We had a severe storm, and now we have snow. So, fucking good old Iowa, baby. Ugh. Oh yeah, I had to stop down here. There's the Honda logo. Oh yeah, there we go. Got us some frickin' stuff. Oil, new key, new gasket for the exhaust. Hell yeah. Putting some new exhaust on the 19 Grom. I ended up going with ZoOM. Pretty excited about it, man. That thing is too shiny and too nice for this bike. But let's see how it goes. It's only 4 bolts. Gonna change the oil while we're in there. And gonna do a sound comparison, so you guys will probably see that after this video. I haven't started it in a couple days, so I'll have a cold start and go from there. See what it does. Alright, here's cold start of the stock Honda Grom exhaust. I don't know how the microphone's gonna pick it up, but quiet. Always let everything warm up, but we don't do that around here. Alright, let's get into it. It looks like we only got about 4 bolts to do. Take the head off. One there, one underneath there. And go from there. Alright, I'm just going to start with loosening everything up off the bat. Them are pretty tight. Got that one kind of loose. If I can hit this one a little better from this side. Oh yeah, it's nice and loose. Now, for some more tools. Alright, little 12. Pretty easy there. Now, this other one that I gotta find, which I probably got way too big of an extension, but that's fine. That's just fine. Is it 12? Yes, it is. Ooh, that one's on there. Ooh. Yep, that was a tight one. Bad thing about working on all this shit is all these tools are freezing cold. It's not the nicest out right now. Come on, bolt. Okay, there. Oh, it's not on this side. What's that? Just a little gasket. Oh, I think there's another one on the other side. Let's go see. Alright. Yeah, right there. Cool deal. Alright. Now, move to the back. Look how dirty this old girl is. I moved to the front of the bike. Pretty sure this will come out. Where's that wrench? Oh, it's a bolt? What the fuck? Didn't think that was gonna be like that. Oh. That was cool. Jesus. I think I just took 10 pounds out of that old girl. Look at that big old freaking stock thing. Heck yeah. It's already looking better. I kind of got carried away. Forgot to record this point. But put a new, what do you call it, a gasket? I don't know what you'd call it, but got the new downpipe thingy on. Let's get the other shit mocked up. Alright, well, we're laying on the fucking ground. We are gonna figure out how to get this on. Stay tuned. Alright, after a couple, taking it off, taking it back on, adjusting some things, I think we're almost there. I'm not gonna snug up anything yet. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this last one here. I think what I'm gonna do is, fingers are cold. Go in here like this. Alright, okay, that's in there. This is fun. I'm nowhere near a trained mechanic, so I think I got it. Yeah, I did. Alright, so that's there. What can we get in there to hold it? That. I don't even know if this is the... Yeah, that's the right size. Well, that's not made easy. I don't know if this is the right wrench size. It's not. 13 might be. 13 definitely is. So I can get a... There's no way. What the fuck? How am I supposed to get my fenders in there? Yeah, hook that up to you, so. Well, kind of get an idea of what we're doing here. Well, got the ZoOM exhaust all strapped in there. I've already rode it a couple times, but here's what she sounds like. Definitely will make a video of me riding it here in the next couple weeks. Yep, there she is. I appreciate ZoOM Exhaust for making such a killer product, man. This thing sounds great.